Hello everyone, this is Irma with my note cards, and today I was looking through Michael's website and I happened to come across these fabulous looking autumn leaf dies. All right, and I noticed the price, but that's not the issue. The issue is that, these really look cool and I could use leaves like this to embellish my cards. So after much thinking and deciding not to purchase them, I figured I have enough imagination and talent that I should be able to make some leaves like this without using the dies. So this is what I came across. Okay, it's my own rendition. Okay, it even looks dry, just like a regular leaf does. Okay, but this is the back. All right, and to be honest with you, it really does look like a real leaf. So, if you're interested on how I made this leaf, and you want a step-by-step video lesson, please let me know in the comments, and if I get enough people interested, I will definitely make a video and post it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you soon.